Shopify POS. How to get paid. You have done it. You're now ready to open a brick and mortar shop. Congratulations. You're now ready to create a payment system and start selling. Shopify POS is a popular point of sale system. You may be curious how you'll get paid. Here's a brief explanation of Shopify POS and the ways you can get paid through this popular point of sale system. How does Shopify POS work? Shopify is a top-rated e-commerce platform that makes it easy for entrepreneurs to launch and manage their own online stores. Shopify has its own point of sale system, which allows store owners and managers to accept cash payments in person. Shopify POS gives you a card reader, which plugs into your iPhone and iPad. Shopify Point of Sale lets you ring up customers or take debit and credit card payments. To inquire about a payments account for your business, please click on the link provided below. Shopify Point of Sale is integrated with all other Shopify accounts. This integration allows you to sync your sales data between the online store and the physical store. It makes it even easier to track your inventory and revenue. Shopify POS works with your Shopify accounts, so payments will be deposited into your bank account exactly as if someone makes a purchase from your site. Shopify accounts can be used to accept payments in person. Now that we know more about Shopify Point of Sale and how it works, it's time you set up your physical store. Shopify POS allows customers to pay you and has them deposited directly into a bank account. You don't have to wait any longer. Get out there today and get selling. Click the link below to contact a payments representative.